guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps lagging on Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps lagging on Roblox, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here in this page. You will go to Roblox. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.